Meaning of excretion.
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 Excretion. Excretion refers to the process by which waste products are removed from the body of an organism. These waste products can be in the form of gases, liquids, or solids and are generated as a result of metabolic processes that take place within the body. The primary purpose of excretion is to maintain the proper balance of fluids and chemicals in the body and to eliminate harmful substances that may have accumulated within the system. Failure to excrete waste materials properly can result in toxin buildup and may lead to serious health problems.